Hello. This video explains how to prepare an optical spectrum analyzer before measurement. You'll learn how to install it, turn it on and off, and complete the required setup. First, installation. An optical spectrum analyzer contains precision optics. Because the equipment is heavy, always use 2 people to move it. Place it on a flat, level, and stable surface with good ventilation. Next, let's turn on the power. Make sure the rear main power switch is off. Connect the power cord to the rear power inlet, then turn the main power switch on. The front power switch light will be orange. After confirming this, press the power switch. The power switch will turn green. The operating system starts, and the instrument begins initialization. Wait until it is complete. When the initialization is complete, a message prompts optical alignment and wavelength calibration. Both functions are built in. Run optical alignment and wavelength calibration to ensure the instrument meets its specifications. After moving the instrument, or after an ambient temperature change, let the device rest for at least 1 hour before optical alignment. Before you start your first measurement, run the wavelength calibration. Now let's run the optical alignment. The AQ6370 series has 2 optical connectors at the lower right of the front panel. The left optical input connector is for measurement input. The right calibration output connector outputs the internal light source used for wavelength calibration and optical alignment. Connect 2 optical connectors using the optical fiber cable recommended for your model. Before connecting the fiber, always clean the optical connector end faces. Tap Optical Alignment to run it. The wavelength calibration runs automatically. These instruments can be factory configured with an internal light source for both functions. The AQ6373 series requires an external light source for wavelength calibration. To run optical alignment or wavelength calibration after startup, use the System button in the Function section. After connecting the fiber, select Optical Alignment and tap Execute in the Soft Key menu. When the success message appears, the process is complete. Preparation is complete. The latest models support recommended fiber inspection probes, so you can check the connector end and the face on screen. In the Function Key area, press the App button, then tap the FIP icon on the screen. Finally, here is how to turn off the power. Press the front power switch. A shutdown confirmation message appears with yes and no buttons on the screen. Press yes to start the shutdown. After pressing yes, wait until the power switch turns orange. Confirm the power switch is orange, then turn off the rear main power switch. The power is now off. Do not turn off the rear main power switch while the instrument is operating. This concluded the video. For the basic measurement procedure, see the separate video. For questions about operation or products, contact our customer support center.